All right, I'm gonna go get the fire set up.
All right, don't get anything burnt though.
I'll try, but no promises.
All right. You good?
I told you I had to pee really bad.
Right, go ahead in then.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah?
Can we talk?
Yeah, let's go. Come on, Tom.
Woo! Whoa, such a wilderness man.
Thank you. So, I've been thinking, since we're finally out of school.
We have a lot ahead of us?
Yeah, well, I mean, a lot of things might change, too.
What do you mean?
Oh, well, I guess the bonfire begins now!
Yeah!
Oh, we only had a week to get it done too, but Joe couldn't even do it in a goddamn week. You wrote draft after draft, but you know, I wrote it the night before and I still got an A and he only got a B minus.
Yeah, that was hilarious. You saw him all stressed and worried.
Yeah.
You know, I think Miss G just had a favorite in the class.
No way!
Yes,
Oh my
yes,
god! You're just bitter. She didn't. No, she really didn't.
I think
She didn't. Stop.
She did.
Having a good time?
Yeah. It's nice to finally have some time off after finals.
That's so true. So how are things between you and Joe? Are you guys gonna keep dating after he moves to Cali?
Well, we aren't really sure about the whole long distance thing, but we'll have some time to figure it out.
It does suck though that he's leaving so soon. Isn't he leaving on Tuesday?
What? No, he said...
Because I was talking to him last week and he was telling me about packing.
No. He said we had the whole month still.
Well, that's why he's been so into having this bonfire. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought you knew.
No, it's fine. Excuse me.
Hey, remember that time you skipped class to go get ice cream too?
God.
Oh my god, you and Amy are ridiculous.
I do. Yes, I remember that.
And then Phil, the teacher was on to you, thinking that you knew where I was.
You did know where he was too.
I think you did.
Yeah, you didn't snitch though.
Come on, man. I didn't snitch.
No,
I never said you did,
I mean,
but
you usually do.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow, you all right? Hey, what's up?
When were you gonna tell me?
What do you mean?
When are you leaving, huh?
What?
I should know I'll be spending the rest of break.
Amy, wait. Hey,
What
hey.
are you- I got it, man. I got it.
I'm so sorry, Joe. I didn't know she didn't know. I thought you wanted... I didn't
Wait,
know.
you told her?
Well, I didn't...
What is wrong with you? Why would you do that?
Well, I didn't know she was gonna react this way.
Well, look at what you did.
I said I'm sorry, okay?
No, just